Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you're juggling multiple tasks and need an efficient way to keep track of your time, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into 3 of the best multi-timer apps that can help you manage your busy schedule with ease. Whether you're cooking, working out, or handling multiple projects, these apps offer powerful features to keep you on track. Let's get started. MultiTimer, multiple timers. MultiTimer is an intuitive and feature-rich app designed to help users manage multiple timers effectively. With its straightforward interface, users can easily set up various timers for different tasks simultaneously. This app offers customizable sounds and vibration patterns to notify users when timers finish, ensuring you never miss an alert. In addition, MultiTimer allows users to rename timers for easy identification and provides the option to run them in the background. Whether you're timing workouts, cooking, or managing daily tasks, MultiTimer is a versatile and user-friendly choice. MultiTimer Plus. MultiTimer Plus is another excellent multi-timer app that offers a sleek and customizable experience for managing various timers. Users can create an unlimited number of timers, each with its own name, color, and sound notification, making it easy to differentiate between them. Additionally, the app features a visually appealing layout with a clear display of all active timers, allowing users to monitor their progress at a glance. MultiTimer Plus supports both individual and simultaneous timer operations, which is great for multitasking. With its added features like copying and resetting timers quickly, this app is perfect for users who need an efficient timing solution. Kitchen MultiTimer. Kitchen MultiTimer is specifically designed for cooking enthusiasts and anyone who needs to manage several timers while preparing meals. The app allows users to set multiple timers at once, with each timer labeled according to the task, such as boiling, baking, or prepping ingredients. The interface is simple and user-friendly, making it easy to navigate even when your hands are busy in the kitchen. Kitchen MultiTimer includes distinctive sounds for alerts, ensuring you can hear notifications over the hustle and bustle of cooking. With its focus on culinary tasks, this app is invaluable for anyone who frequently prepares multiple dishes at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more app recommendations and productivity tips. Which timer app are you excited to try? Let us know below. Until next time, happy timing!